Here I have Motorola Moto E40, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable GPS location info. So firstly you have to grant access to location feature to camera, and now you can switch this feature all you want, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.